Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
All right, guys. Here's what we got today. I drove, I don't know, an hour into northern Michigan, and on my way up here, both on the highway, the major highway, all the back roads, there were the most cars traveling southbound that I've ever seen. It was almost like there was an evacuation order placed or something. There was just bumper to bumper traffic everywhere. Now today's Sunday, so I'm sure most of those folks are hunters, and the weather's kind of crappy today. It's rainy. It's only 43 degrees, so I'm sure they left pretty early, but still, I had no idea that there were that many people up hunting in northern Michigan. It was crazy, literally like there was an evacuation order placed. It was just bumper to bumper, wall to wall cars. So anyway, we're here now. It's raining, like I said, it's cold, 43 degrees. We're chasing brown trout today, maybe a rainbow or two. And the stream, I'm looking at it right now, it looks a little bit high, little color to it, so hopefully that's gonna bode well for us today. So let's go see what we can do. Oh yeah, I'm Ryan, and I'm going fishing. Let's go. Well, I said the water looked high, and it's not. Pretty clear. But it still looks very fishy. Alright, first fish of the day. It's a dandy fish. Out of a spot I don't normally catch fish anymore. So that's alright. That's a heck of a start. See if we can land him without a net. Wow, is he fat? Look at that guy. You're fat, dude. Alright, alright, alright. Probably should use a net, but I think I got him hooked pretty good. Wow, is he fat? There you go. First brown trout of the day. Beautiful fish, fat. See you, buddy. Thank you. Well, that's a good start. I normally don't catch fish out of this stretch because it gets pounded. But there was one there. That's great. There's a fish. Outstanding. Man, I've been working hard for him today. Oh, you ate it too. You weren't messing around. Look at you. There we go. Nice brown trout. Thanks, bud. See ya. Oh, yep. That was fun. I saw him hit it, or swing at it, miss, and then grab it. Nice trout. Nice trout. Yes, sir. You were fun. I am working hard for you guys today. Come here. What? Get in the net.
There we go. Another dandy brown. Alright, there's a couple today. Guys must get black bellies as you get to spawning. Well, you sure ate it. There we go. There he is, yeah, see? It's a male spawning. Another dandy. Dandy brown trout. Look at you, buddy. You're beautiful. Alright, alright. There you go. There you go. Thank you. Awesome. Come on. No, I'm afraid to cast over there. Ooh, that was fun. That was fun. Big fish. Nice fish. Nice fish. He come out for it. There, buddy. Head up. Thank you. Not super big, but he was fun. Yeah, you're a little smaller than the other two, but man, you had probably one of the best, well, one of the best 2 hits of the day. There he is. Beautiful brown. They've all been beautiful today. Dark colors. They're fall spawning colors. Lots of gold and brown. Beautiful. Thanks, buddy. Oh, there he is. Hello, Mr. Brown Trout. Littlest guy of the day. Beautiful. Look at how he's got just a few spots. A couple of bright red ones. Super gold. Gill plate. Beautiful. There you go, pal. See ya. Thanks for the catch. Short and boxed. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is a huge, huge brown trout. Huge brown. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, is that a big one? Okay, now he's mad. Now he's mad. Look at you. Holy crap. Nope, he says no. I don't think so. Are you hog-tied? Don't take me down into that. Holy balls. I think he's hog-tied. If I can land him. That's a big brown. Walk him over here to the shallows. Wow, look at that fish. That is a big fish. That's what I've been fishing for all day today. Holy smokes. I don't know if he'll fit in my net. I might have to tail this fish. Oh, and the lines around is, please don't be around your gill plate. Yep, I got you. Okay. Look at this brown trout, you guys. Am I recording? Yes. Holy crap, look at that. That is a beautiful fish. Alright, here's what we want to do. Real quick. I know. I'll get you back. I brought a tape measure today. And that fish is... My tape measure does not want to work. Come on. That fish is... Stop. I'll let you go. 2 feet, 24 inches. Just put that down. Let's unhook you and we'll get you back, bud. Holy crap. You were not hooked by much. And I'll stick my hands in your gills. Hold on. You guys, jeez, oh man. Look at this fish. Oh, let's get the spinner off you. There you go. This is the fattest fish of the year for me. Look at that. 24.5 inches. Wow, you guys. That is just a big, big fish. Wow. Awesome. Let's get him back. Holy smokes, you were fun. Water's cold. Yeah, that's probably my best brown trout of the year. I think that other one I had on in the other video, I'll put a link to that right now, right here. Might have been a little bit bigger. Probably 26, somewhere in there. But this fish is just beautiful. Look at that. Crazy. Just crazy. Dang. Go. Could feel his tail starting to kick, so I just let him down. Now I don't know if you can see him with the reflection, but he's right there. And that fish will sit right there on the bottom of the river, sitting up straight like he is, facing upstream, and he'll just sit there and breathe. And he'll revive himself, and then he'll go back to his normal life. Man, thanks for that, buddy. Best brown of the year. What a tank. 24 inches on the tape measure, 24.5. What a stud of a fish. And just sitting there. I'm just watching them, having fun watching them. Oh, there he goes. Look at him go. There he goes. Swimming upstream, right up there. And on his way. Yeah, that was excellent. Thank you, Lord. There's a deer running down the road. There he goes. Better run and hide, buddy. People are looking for you with bow and arrow. Okay, you guys, made it back to the truck. Wearing my hunter's orange today so I don't get mistaken for a deer and get shot with a bow and arrow. Day started off really slow, and I thought to myself, boy, I'm not going to have enough footage for even a video today, but slowly but surely fishing started picking up. I caught a couple of really nice fish, beautiful colored brown males. Seemed like they were just spawning or getting ready to spawn. And then finally I caught that 24.5-inch brown trout. Man, anytime you catch a fish like that, it's awe-inspiring to me. And I've fished for a long time, and I've caught a handful of trout like that. And if you look at all the hours I fish that it takes to catch a trout like that, if I was able to put pen to paper, you truly understand how special it is to catch a fish that's that big. And I'm so grateful that I did. It absolutely made my day. And just a spectacular fish. So anyway, now I've got about an hour drive home. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. And I plan to continue to put out more content regularly. So thanks for watching again, and be good to one another. We'll see you soon.